And it's February 5th, 2025. I'm Dr. Deuk, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with one of my lovely patients from New Jersey. She came down because she's had back pain for a long time, suffering. She works with special eds kids. They can sometimes present challenges in terms of physical stress for her, and that makes her symptoms a lot worse. So you came from Jersey because you've been suffering with pain. You had yesterday the Deuk piriformis release.
Yes.
And the sacroiliac joint Deuk plasmorhizotomy and your facet Deuk plasmorhizotomy. How do you feel today?
Today I feel great. Just a little bit of soreness, but no actual pain.
So the pain from before surgery is gone?
Yes.
That's awesome.
Completely gone.
You happy about that?
Excited. Finally have a normal life.
Now, what else have you tried in the past for your pain that didn't work?
So I've had a lot of physical therapy since I was 18, been on narcotics. I've had a laminectomy and disectomy on 2 levels, and then they just had said I should go for fusion, but we did research to come here instead as a better option.
Yeah, your case is interesting because your MRI shows herniated discs at 3 levels. The doctor just looked at your MRI over there in Jersey and said fuse, but that was the wrong diagnosis.
And great.
Because your disc was not the cause of pain. We didn't fix your disc.
Right.
We fixed other things below your disc, and now your pain's gone. So you don't need a fusion.
Let's go to a lot less recovery time.
So sometimes come to Deuk Spine just to get the right diagnosis. Now, how long have you been suffering with back pain? It sounds like it's been a long time.
Almost 20 years.
So 20 years, and that pain you've had for 20 years is now
Gone.
Isn't that incredible?
It is a simple procedure, and it's gone.
Anything else you want to share with the audience out there?
It was definitely worth it. Like, coming here was quick, done, walking same day, like next day, not having pain is way better than any other surgery I've had so far. So thank you.
Well, today's my birthday.
Happy birthday.
You are my birthday present. Your pain is gone, and that
Thank you.
makes
Happy
me
birthday.
so happy. Thank you so much. All right, well, safe travels home.
All right, thank you.